Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning double exposure effect in Canva using the Image Blender app. This app is completely free and makes blending images super easy. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, we need to install the Image Blender app. Go to the Apps section, type Image Blender in the search bar, and click on it to install. Once the app is installed, you'll see this interface. Next, add an image to your canvas. I've already uploaded an image, so I'll insert it here. Let's make it larger and rotate it to face the opposite direction. Then, I'll change the background color to black to match with the image. Now, add a second image. Adjust the size and position. With the images in place, it's time to blend them. Open the Image Blender app and click Blend Selected Image. The app offers two blending options, linear and radial. For this design, I'll choose the radial option. Now, adjust the radial size and position to get the perfect look. Then, tweak the blending strength to get the desired effect. Once everything looks good, hit Save, and the blend is applied seamlessly. Finally, adjust the image size and position as needed. And that's it! You've just created a beautiful double exposure effect in Canva using the Image Blender app. It's simple, creative, and a great way to take your designs to the next level. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.